In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok direct messages option not showing up on iPhone completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, once you have TikTok open, in this case, you want to click this profile, and then we can send them a wave or we can message them. But if this is not opening up, so to speak, then basically what you could do is we're going to click back, see how we can message. But if this is not showing up, go to your profile right here, to profile, and then click the top right hand screen and click the fourth option under my QR code, which says settings and privacy, and then scroll down and click privacy, second option under account, and then scroll down one more time, and under interactions and underneath mentions and tags, you should see this option which says direct messages. And if you do, then you want to click this and make sure that filtered requests and read status are on or off, because this may cause a glitch for direct messages not showing up on iPhone on TikTok. And click allow direct messages from everyone, no one, friends, or suggested friends. Again, you may or may not have to mess around with the settings. If you found value in this tutorial, drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, subscribe to the... Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.